All right, we will be looking at the second method of our division. In this method, we are looking at how to divide numbers in different bays. So you have to pay close attention to this because it's going to involve some back and front movement. So in this case, I'm bringing out my table of division. The first one will come inside the table, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, and this is base 4, and 2, 3 in base 4. Now, looking at this is 2-digit number, and this is 2. If you compare them, we cannot complete it. So take 3-digit number. I'm taking this, and this. So 132 divided by 2, 3 in base 4. For me to do this division, I will have to convert this, the both of them, to base 10. So converting to base 10, I have 132, 0, 1, 2 is the same thing as, remember, I'm expressing them in the power of the base. 1 times 4 to the power of 2 plus 3 times 4 to the power of 0 plus 2 times 4 to the power of 1 and to the power of 0. This will be equal to 1 times 16 plus 12 plus 2, which is equal to this plus this is 4 plus this is 10, 0, and 1 plus this, of course, is 3. 1 plus 1 is 1 plus the other one is 3. So I've gotten this. I also need to convert this. 2, 3 in base 4 is 0 and 1. This is the same as 2 times 4 to the power of 1 plus 3 times 4 to the power of 0. This is the same thing as 2 times 4 plus 3 times 1. So this is the same thing as 8 plus 3, which is equal to what? 11. So I've gotten my second answer. So what am I going to do now? I'll say 30 divided by 11. Of course, how many 11 are in 30? 2. 2 times 11 is 22. So 22 plus 8 is 30. So I'm having 2 here. Then I will need to multiply this. Remember, in our division method, once we have gotten the answer here, we multiply it here and put what we got before we subtract. That is our division. So, but in this case now, anything that we have here, we have to multiply 2 times 2, 3 in base what? 4. So what I got from this multiplication is, that is what I will put in this place. So let us do that. Base 4. So my conversion of 9 is 9, 4. 4, how many 4 are in 9 is 2. Remainder 1. 4 goes again is what? 0, remainder 2. So my answer is 2, 1. So here I'll put 1. 1 and remainder what? 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. So convert 8. 8 convert to base 4 will give us what? 4 goes into 8 how many times? 2 times remainder 0. 4 goes again is 0 times remainder 2. So my answer is what? 2, 0, 1. Subtract it. If I subtract 2 minus 3 is what? 0. This minus this is 0. 3 minus 1 is what? 2. What is remaining here is 3. So, of course, at this point, we are having the same 2 and 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. So, if we convert it, which is the conversion of 2, 3 is what? 11. 11 divided by 11 is what? 1. 1 times this is what? Already, what do we have here? 1 times 2 3 in base 4 will give me the same thing as 2, 3. So if I subtract, I will have what? 0. So finally, in the method 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3 in base 4 divide by 2, 3 in base 4 is equal to 2, 3, 1 in base 4. This is my answer. This looks a little a bit complex because of we convert, we divide, we subtract. So it looks a little bit complex, but once you structure your mind according to the steps that is explained here, you are good to go. So thank you for being so patient to carry out the difference operation in number basis. Meet me in the next class for the applications of number basis in daily operations. In other operations, we also have operation including unknown basis. So we still have some 2 or 3 classes to take. Then we are through with. We'll be through with number-based conversion. Thank you for being so patient, and I will see you in the next class. Thank you.